I'm the SLAB School of Liberal Arts and Business Artist in Residence for the art department. So what I've been doing here is creating a sort of sculptural formwork. I'm working in the studio with student interns to develop that work. With this piece that you're seeing behind me, this is a piece that is actually interactive and collaborative. It's a sort of ever-evolving dynamic surface, and that's actually created by audience participation. Staff and faculty and students, they're actually making the piece when they come and visit it. And the piece actually records all of that, and that video will be used to generate more work. They're interns by name, but they've really been co-creators of this piece.
So we're going to take recordings that we've had from classes that come in here and they work, and they put stuff up on the light table, and that's all pre-recorded to then go and be projected on the buildings.
I kind of helped invent this framing technique. So the bird boxing is, instead of putting every plane in the program, we blacked out all the rest of it instead, and it just saved like tons of time and made everything easier.
A lot of what Natan does is live artwork and experimentation, so I try to incorporate music that would be able to kind of form with what's going on the screen.
I've never delved into abstraction too much, and I think that'll influence me from here on out to just make more interesting things.
I mean, my inspiration for this work is trying to figure out how collaboration works in an artistic setting, and how collaborative art making kind of unites people and gets people thinking about and working with each other in different ways.